this is David with another techie review, unboxing, and first impressions video. I'm really excited and intrigued today because I have it in this box is a Logitech G Pro X wired 7.1 surround sound gaming headset. Now this gaming headset is oriented at Windows. One of the most interesting features that I found on this is that it actually comes with an external sound card. You plug it into your system via USB and you plug the headphones into that sound card, and you have to use that to get some of the better features out of this system. So a couple things else that you should see in the box is obviously the headset. You should get 2 cables, a couple different options for you, and a carrying case. So let's go ahead and unbox the first box, and then we'll take a look at the box, the Logitech box. Packing material fun, packing material fun. Looks like a letter, catalog, and some software. So this is the box. We'll put that out of the way. So this is the box. On the back it says play to win. Got a nice picture of the headset there. Standard spec panel, what's in the box, and another ad side panel there too. Okay, so the first thing you notice here, or at least the first thing I noticed here, this is the USB dongle for the connector. It looks like that will flip out. So your USB connector. The headphones themselves look to be hooked in. They have a plastic bag around them. So just like a pair of socks or a sock. So this is the headphones themselves. Construction feels really good. Good weight, not too heavy. Let's see how they feel. So like most headphones, they've got the left and right labels on them. Yeah, they actually fit pretty well. They're nice. They're comfy. Little bit of, they're cushioned well, so you won't hear surrounding noise. This area feels metallic, so they got some stout construction on them. Notice that there's no mic here, so the microphone is removable. So let's see what else we have in the box here. Got some more material. The carrying case is, actually that's a pretty decent sized carrying case, but they are good sized headphones. Cables are inside. Like I said, 2 cables, different features on them. Even have a splitter cable. Not sure what that will do, but we'll investigate that. And then the microphone for that comes off, that's removable on there. And then just another piece of literature, and this appears to be a sticker for your computer. Well, it is a gaming headset, so they might be into their little sponsored areas there. So all in all, it looks like a very stout set of headphones. So what kind of headphones do you use? Write those down in the comments. Oh, and if you like this video, please like and subscribe. It helps the channel out. And check out my other videos that are on the channel. You may find another really cool piece of tech item that I've reviewed in the past. Look for the full review in the comments below. We'll put it there in the description. This has been David with another techie review, unboxing, and first impressions video.